Hey everyone, today I have an unboxing video of this BEARDO trimmer. I've ordered this from Flipkart during the Big Billion Day and it cost me only 500 rupees, but I don't know how much is it right now. So for your convenience, I'll put the links in the description, so go check out for yourself. Anyway, first let's open this box and see what's inside. Okay, inside the box we got this blade oil that will clean the trimmer blade and sharpen. And also we got this cleaning little brush to clean the hair inside the trimmer. And here's the charging cable to charge the trimmer. You can directly charge by power bank, or you can plug straight into the mobile charging adapter or whatever. And it also comes with this comb head for the trimmer. And here's the trimmer itself. This looks really cool. This trimmer is made with some high quality plastic material, and if you hold this trimmer for a couple of minutes, I hope that it doesn't leave any fingerprint on the body, so which is pretty amazing. As you can see, here's the BEARDO logo branding, which is absolutely looking good. And here's the button for turning the trimmer on or off. You can probably tell the trimmer is on or off by this nice green LED indicator right here. And you know what, one of the coolest thing about this trimmer is actually a waterproof. You can just directly dip into the water and clean through it, so that's what I like about it. And looking on this knob, you can pretty much set the blade length setting on this trimmer, so you can set according to your preference, and also you can set up to maximum 10 from minimum 0. It's actually a very interesting trimmer at this price point. And one thing I noticed is that after using for about 10 to 20 minutes, actually this trimmer has some heating issue. And talking about the battery life, honestly that was pretty good battery backup. I think it lasts up to 2 to 3 hours with a full charge. And also one of the problems people have issues with this trimmer is that some people complain on this review section that they got skin wound or something like that while using this trimmer. But for me, it doesn't happen like that, so who knows if it happened. Hopefully I will keep updated on the comment section after using for a couple of months. That's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video and found helpful. If it was, remember to smash that subscribe button for me. See you guys in my next one. Peace.